604, there, confirm.
You said, I can't believe it was me. Yes, you did. You were there too.
What's this?
That's part of my fence.
Perfect.
NRC 611 lane.
Why do you
I
have
got them
this?
all on camera, sir.
Okay, perfect.
First they ran up on there. I have no idea.
We're gonna come in and see what it's about. I'll say fine.
What'd you see break it?
I didn't break. I stopped. I
He
stopped.
was banging out it. He was banging out it. You broke it.
Am I going to jail? What did I do?
Broke a fence.
Stop.
I'm calling my mom. Dave, call my
Do
phone.
not
Call my
reach in
mom.
your pockets.
Can you grab my phone?
Where's your phone?
You too.
In my pocket.
Put your hands behind your back
I'm
too.
fucking scared.
Sit on the ground.
I'm fucking scared.
Sit.
Fuck.
Where do you want to sit?
Jake, call mom. I didn't do nothing.
I got
The
that
fuck?
video, guys. I got all three on video.
Jake, call mom. And we have a right to do that.
I'm gonna have all 3 juveniles detained.
What did I do?
Mom,
get down here now. Don't fucking touch me.
Really?
Let me the fuck go.
Don't do that! You do not swing at me!
I didn't swing at you.
Oh, one resisting.
What the fuck is happening?
Can I get another unit over here, please?
Hold any available unit.
6076 control. What's the location of it?
Last known location, West 5th Street, West Bridge.
Copy. Hold me open, I'll leave it.
Copy.
6-3 now.
Copy.
Got 3 detained.
Copy.
Stand up. Stand up. Ready? Put your legs straight out. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Mid bridge in 6, 7.
Watch it. Rip it right down.
I'm fucking
Copy. West Bridge
scared.
and West 5th.
I didn't do anything.
I didn't get charged with harassment too. You
I didn't do
just swung
anything.
at me.
I didn't swing at you.
You did.
No, I didn't.
Copy.
I didn't do anything.
Copy.
I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything.
Hop in the car.
I didn't do anything.
You can stay right there.
He's attacking my fucking brother. I didn't do anything. I mean, I did.
Stand up.
Yes, sir. I'm fucking scared.
Well, stop breaking shit. They broke his fence over
Can you
it.
call my mom?
Sugar
Grab my
scam.
phone out of my pocket.
Well, we gotta figure what's going on. Double lock him. Put him in your car. You're a juvenile. I keep telling you, you can get arrested as a juvenile.
Can I at least move my hair out of my face, or can you?
You're good. You
It's
can
in my
swing
mouth.
it.
Yes, sir. Stickers. My phone.
060 control, you can show me a ride.
Copy.
What the hell do you got?